Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video that I've never done before. Basically, I'm going to be returning home because it is the end of the school year for me. And so I thought I would film a video kind of packing up my stationery, showing you what I'm going to be leaving behind, what I finished, like things I'm going to be bringing back home, if that makes sense. I don't really have a plan for this video, but let's just get started. Okay, so I figured we could start with the journals that I will be bringing home. This is my current journal. It is a journal from Notebook Therapy. You've probably seen a few videos on it so far. And yeah, so basically I am filming this video on the Wednesday. I will probably film a few clips throughout the week, and I'm leaving to go home on Saturday. So everything's gonna be like mostly packed up, but I am keeping a few things aside because I still need them in the next few days. But this is my current journal, so I will be keeping it out on my desk for now. These are the two journals that I finished in this second half of the semester at school. You will see flip through soon, or maybe before this video goes up, not really sure. This was my this one first. This was my 35th journal, super cute. This is a journal from Dollarama. It got pretty chunky and I will be doing a flip through. So we have this one. And then this was my 36th journal. This is a journal from Indigo by the Noda brand. And it is also, well, kind of chunky for how skinny it was to begin with. And yeah, so I will be packing these two up. And what I think I'm going to do is just put them into this Shein bag right here. So that they kind of have a little bit of protection and don't get ruined when I pack it up in a box. There is also one more journal that I'm going to bring home. I bought this while I was here, but I didn't use it. And so this is just one of those faux wood grain journals that you guys know I love. Here's the packaging and everything. And this is going to be the next journal I use. And so I'm just going to bring it home because I don't have one of these in my blank journal collection at home. So we're just going to tuck that in there as well. And then last but not least, I have this journal here. Now, this is my very first ever journal. I have a video on my first few journals from my lifetime from 2016 to 2018. So go check that out if you're interested. But I thought that I was going to film a reading my old diary video while I was here at school, and I don't think that's going to happen. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a video like that. I feel like it would be super fun. But yeah, since I didn't end up filming the video, I'm just going to bring it home and maybe I will film it this summer. So these are all the journals that I'm bringing home, obviously minus my current daily journal. And here they are all packed up. Okay, let's set that aside. One more thing, well, one of the next things that I wanted to do was pull out the postcards that I wanted to bring home. Now I have a bunch of postcards at home already that I just left at home and never brought to school, but I did bring this little photo album with a bunch of postcards in it for the school year, and most of them I am going to leave here. But if you didn't know, every month I've been tracking my expenses using these little Paper Pantone cards here. So I'm going to take out the ones that I need for April, May, June, July, and August and bring them back home. So for April, I was going to use Jeweled Garden, which, where's that? Oh, this one. So this is the card I'm going to use for April. If I could just pull it out. There we go. For May, I was going to use Lavender Rain. For June, Pink Peonies. I love this one. Oh my gosh. Pink Peonies. July, Beach Blue, and then August, Apricot Prairie. So there's that one. And I actually do have two of these beach blue ones. So I'm just going to bring one home and the other I can leave here. And then these I will use in the fall. And this one I think is for December, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I do have a bunch of postcards here, but again, I will just leave them here. And if I need a postcard, I will use the ones that I have at home. So basically, I'm trying to just bring home everything that I need, but also leave some stuff here so that I don't have to just bring it back again in September. So these cards are super cute. They are from Papershire. I will leave the link to her shop down below. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of her shop. Okay, what else can I pack up today? I guess I will show you my sticker books now, so that you know that I'm kind of packing it up. And then, yeah, sorry, I feel like I'm so rambly. Let's see, this, I'm also just gonna grab, yeah. Okay, so in one of my desk drawers, I also have this cutting mat. I use this for cutting my planner sticker kit, so just wanted to show you guys that. I will be bringing that home. And then next we have This little sticker book here, this I got from Umomo, which is like a Japanese dollar store. It's just a little photo album. I put this T-Rex sticker on the front. And then basically in here, I just have a bunch of like printables, random little stationery bits, and they are sorted by color. And basically this is what I use throughout the school year, and it's pretty empty now. This used to be so full. I've really tried to use up a bunch of my stationery. So I am just going to be bringing this home so that I can use it. So yeah, that's also gonna go in my stack of things to bring. Okay, I'm opening up another drawer now to show you another sticker book. This one is from Papershire. Super cute, and it is chock full of stickers. I will also be bringing this home so that I have all my stickers to work with. Obviously, I'm not going to show you every single sticker sheet, but there are tons and tons in here, which I will definitely need this summer. So lots and lots and lots and lots of stickers. If you're curious about anything specific, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just have a ton of stickers in here, and I love this album. It is super chunky, and we will be bringing that home. Okay, next, I also have this other sticker book. Now, this is my planner sticker book for like kits and leftovers and things. So this is a book from Simply Beautiful Plans. It is so pretty and has some foil, which I don't think you can see on camera. But here I have everything that I need for my sticker memory planner. We have glitter headers, date numbers, date covers, some wash. Oh, sorry, just totally moved you guys. We have some foiled stickers, loyalty cards, and then all of my kit leftovers sorted by color. Love, 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 love. So many stickers. Then we have any kits that I haven't used yet. Really excited to use some of these summer kits. For example, this one, so pretty. This one I'm also really excited to use. The rest of this Scribble Prince Co. sticker kit. And yeah, so I just have a bunch of sticker kits here that I will be using. So of course I do need to bring this home so that I can plan in the summer. Now, one thing I wanted to show you are things that I'm kind of leaving behind. So if I can just grab it out. Of course, I'm sure a lot of you are not surprised by this, but I do have one of each of these wood grain, faux wood grain journals, one of each of the different colors. So I will be keeping these here just in case I need them for next year. We have like this tan one, this grayish brown one, and then this dark brown one. So I'm gonna keep those at my schoolhouse. I'm also keeping here one pack of my favorite pens for next year, and then also 2 glue sticks because I go through these quite often and I have plenty of them at home, so I'm just going to keep these here for now. Okay, now I feel like I wanted to talk about washi. So this is the pouch that I've been storing some of my washi in. I wonder if I can open this while you guys are here. Might move you a little bit. There we go. Okay, so if I could just move that out. Basically, while I'm at school, I have a few things where I keep my washi. I have some samples. I have this little basket here, this little pouch, and then also this box, as well as, there's a lot, this little stand right here. Where should I put it? Here? Let's just move that there. Okay, so this is all of my washi collection from school. And what I'm going to do with you guys is go through, see what I'm going to keep here and what I'm going to bring home, because you guys know I love to use washi in my journals and I have plenty of it at home as well. But obviously I do need to bring some of this with me home because I don't have enough. Well, enough. Anyway, so let's take a look. These samples, I think I'm just going to keep here. I don't really see a point in me bringing these home. I have thinner washis at home, and this is literally like just like small pieces, and I'm sure I'll find a use for it next year. But for now, I'm going to keep this here at school, I think. And these right here, these are washis that I received from Notebook Therapy. They are so gorgeous. I just had to keep the box. They are all foiled, but they are all fall themed. So I will be keeping these here because I'm only spending summer at home. So obviously I won't be needing fall washi. So we are going to keep this at school as well. Now this I'm definitely going to bring home. This is my Coffee Monsters Co. washi tower. It is so cute. I do have a few Coffee Monsters Co. washis in here, but the stack I will be bringing home. I'm just going to take it apart, put the washis in this bag, and then wrap it up in bubble wrap so that it doesn't get damaged or scratched or anything. But this I will be taking home, which I guess I could show you guys how I will be doing that. So I have this little bubble wrap like pocket here that I got from some packaging a long time ago and I kept because I'm crazy, but it did come in handy. So, okay, let's just throw these in here for now. So what I'll do is just basically throw this in here like that, and then it is all nice and protected. So that I will be bringing home. Now, let's take a look at what's inside this pouch because I honestly haven't really looked at it in a while and I don't really know what's in here. So let's see what I will be bringing home. All of these solid colored washies. Honestly, I haven't used them at all this year. So I think I'm just going to bring them home and maybe I won't bring them back. But the thing is, I never know when I'm going to need it. But I think all of these are like safe to say I can bring them home and I won't need them here. So I'm going to grab those. Okay. And then we have this hollow washi, which always comes in handy. I have this cute little plant washi from Planner Monkey Co. So I will also be bringing that home. These two washi, oh, there's a colored one hidden in here. This washi doesn't have much left, so maybe I will bring it home and hopefully finish it up this summer. I've had that one for ages. And then we have this washi, which I think is perfect for summer, so I will also bring that home. Now, obviously, all of my Coffee Monsters Co. washi are coming with me because I love to use those in all of my journals. So just throw them in here. Let's see, this leopard print, I feel like it's not very summery, but there's so little left. You know what, I'll just keep it here and use it up next summer because it's kind of fall themed to me. So yeah. Okay. Coffee Monsters Co. washi, bring that home. This one is from Precious and Snow. Planner Monkey Co. bringing those home. Coffee Monsters Co. bring that home. Coffee Monsters Co. bring that home. Okay, these I'm very torn about. So I have these washis that I got from a giveaway from Filofax, and I just use them for random things because I don't like they're not really patterned washi, so I don't really like using them as decoration, excuse me, in my journal. So I don't know, I'm kind of conflicted about bringing those home, so we'll see. These are just little clear tape washis that I will be bringing home because they're fruit themed, which in my opinion is very summery, and I only have a little left of each, so I can definitely use that up. This washi to me is very cute. It has a bunch of buildings, so I want to bring that home. This is a Precious and Snow washi. I will be bringing that home. These two are just summery kind of washi, so I also want to bring those home. Okay, we have this Coffee Monsters Co. washi. Let's bring that. The one Coffee Monsters Co. washi I won't be bringing home is this fall themed one for obvious reasons that I explained earlier. This one to me is also pretty fall themed, so I think I'm just going to leave that here. Let's see. This one I will bring home. Hopefully I can use it up. There is so little left. So these ones, basically they're all very, very similar. I think I only need to bring, if I really want to, these three home because this one is so similar to this one that I think, oh, sorry, I moved you guys. So I think I'll just be bringing these three home. I'm trying to be selective, but obviously that's kind of hard, so I will be bringing a bunch of my washis home. Okay, I think everything else in here can come home with me. I know it's a lot. Oh, not this one though. This is also fall themed, so we're just gonna leave that here. And then everything else will just go in my bag, which actually, it doesn't even fit everything. Hopefully I can squeeze it all in there. Oh, this one is also fall themed, so we can leave that here. And yeah, so this is my entire washi collection from school. Let's zip it up. So it does fit, thank God. And these are the washis that I will be keeping here. I think I'm just gonna leave these Filofax ones here. Or should I bring one of them home? Okay, I will bring, I think this, oh, now I kind of want to bring all three of them. You know what, I'm just gonna bring them. I'm just gonna leave behind these fall themed washis, and then everything else can come home with me. And we'll see again in September what I decide to bring. Maybe I will film another one of these videos. We will have to see. But here's my washi all packed up. And here are the washis that I am leaving behind. Okay, so I think... Oh, one more thing I want to show you guys. Here is my sticker book with all of my planner character stickers and scripts. If you want to see a collection video on this, definitely let me know. But I have so many stickers in here that I need for my planner. So I will definitely be bringing this home. I think that is everything that I'm going to film for this part of the video, and maybe I will see you guys again tomorrow. So I'm here to pack up the rest of my things. So let's just get started. Here is my little bucket of writing supplies and utensils and things that I just keep on my desk. And so we're going to pick out things I'm going to bring home and put them into this pencil case. This is the pencil case I take to class. So there's already a bunch of stuff in there, but I am just going to pack up the rest of these things to go in as well. Oh, that is a random strand of my hair. Okay, so this is the steel ruler that I use to cut my planner sticker kit, so I definitely need to bring that home, but it doesn't fit in my pencil case, so I'll just stuff it somewhere. I have a few like pencils here, which I'm not going to bring because I have pencils at home, so we can just take those out. These 3 markers were just colors that I brought because I thought they might be useful, so I will be taking these back with me, so let's just throw them in there. These scissors I will be taking. These are my favorite scissors. I have definitely talked about them before. And then these are just also, that's just a mark on my hand because I was like lying on it. Anyway, these scissors are both super useful, so I will put those in there as well. Glue stick, since this one is like half used, I'm going to bring it with me. And like I showed you guys yesterday, I have backups that I will keep here. Okay. As for Sharpies, oh, this highlighter I can bring home. That's another pencil. Just these pens that are like half used, so I might as well bring them home with me. We have a Muji pen that I will just keep here. Sharpies, I have plenty of these at home, so we're just, whoops, gonna leave these here. Some of these are probably dried out, so I need to test those. And then we have Tombow dual brush pens. I do have more of these at home, so I think I'll just keep these here so I don't have to bring them back and forth. Oh, sorry, I just moved you guys. And it's pretty dusty in there. But I also have a little frozen pencil sharpener and an eraser, which I can just keep here because I have both of those things at home. But I will be taking home this X-Acto knife that I use for cutting my planner sticker kits. So that is it for like pencils and stuff like that. I'm gonna move that out of the frame. Next, I also wanted to show you guys this little box here. This is where I keep all my paper scraps. So in this little magnetic box here, I just have all of these like paper scraps that I've used in my journal. And so I'm going to bring this home with me just so I can use it throughout the summer. Okay, and I think this is the last thing that I have to show you all that I will be packing up and bringing home with me is my memory planner and my little sticker book. So this is like my portable sticker book where I kind of just decant a bunch of my sticker sheets so they're easier to access and I don't have to rifle through that really thick album I showed you guys yesterday. This was from the Prairie Planner. I will link her shop down below. I ended up peeling off the cover that she had stuck on just because I got some water on it and so I didn't like the look of it anymore, so I stuck on this sticker instead. But yeah, it just has a bunch of stickers for my memory planner, which is this planner right here. It doesn't even fit in the frame. But for example, this is where I do like my weekly memory keeping with stickers and like scripts and stuff. Super cute. I have a flip through of my last year's planner on my channel if you're interested in seeing. But yeah, these are a bunch of spreads that I do and this is just for fun. It's kind of just another sort of journal for me. This is the current week. So yeah, I think that is everything that I am going to be bringing home in terms of stationery. I hope you guys, oh no, I do have one more thing. I have these, what are they? My Crayola Super Tip markers. They're a little bit disorganized. Some of them are like upside down because they're running low on ink. But yeah, these are all of my Crayola Super Tip markers. A few of them have dried out, so it's not all 100 of them here, but I will definitely need to bring these home so that I can use them in the summer. If I could just close the lid. Okay, maybe not. But that is finally everything that I will be bringing home in terms of stationery for the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!